Hello there, this is Office Insight and welcome back to a brand new video. And this is a quick video today. I'll be demonstrating how to add font size CSS edition. Like and subscribe. Enough talk, let's get it. Okay, so let me link out with my CSS this time. So link CSS. There we go. Okay, so font size are used for expanding the fonts using the H1 text. For example, the H1 text represents a heading, so in the HTML, but using CSS, we can style out the heading. Okay, so let's demonstrate the fundamentals in font size. So, of course, I have to link out the CSS, but then now if I go in H1, let's do font size attribute. Let's put it to 20 pixels. So the different types of additions for font size. One, you have 20 pixels, and for the H1, and also let's create some text as well as a demonstration. And we could change the font size to 16 pixels. Let's change this to 60 pixels and P to 20 pixels. There we go. So here's the font size attribute. And we talked about font family earlier on, so we use font family sans serif. And yeah, so the font size allows to scale the text and the width of the size to make sure that it matches well with the rest of the text and has the different types of length and sizes. So this is a quick demonstration on how you can set the font size to any element or pixels, etc. Another addition that I can introduce is font weight. So font weight helps it to make the text a little thin. So let's say if I do 200, and yeah, this is font weight. This is how the text will make it look thin and more clearer to see without being bold text. So let's use font weight to 200. And yeah, this is how it looks. Let's display color to red, and then paragraph text to say blue. There we go. Now it's more descriptive and clear to see. This is how font size work and as well font weight. I'm going to wrap up this video. This was me explaining font size and font weight and different types of fonts. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. This is your boy Sylvester Inside. I'm out. Peace.